Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys already know that I have recently hit 1k subscribers on my YouTube channel, and first of all thank you all for this amazing achievement that you have given me in such a less time, and I will make sure to keep on making amazing tutorials and amazing stuff for you forever for free. Okay, the reason I am making this video is I wanted to give a Marvel Rivals render pack completely for free. It will contain very high quality 4k optimized render for your thumbnails and your posters and other design that you want to make. So friends, to download the render pack, all you need to do is make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube video description. There you will find two links. One is of Google Drive and other is of Playbook. All you need to do is download the WinRAR and extract the render pack that you have downloaded from the link or the Playbook link. Okay, and once you have extracted, all the JPEG and the 4k PNG image will be shown to you, and you can use any of the image without any restriction. You can create any of the artwork, you can create whatever you want. And if you are using my render pack, make sure to join my Discord and send me your creation so that I can feel that someone is using my render pack and creating some amazing artwork. And it also motivates me to keep creating this amazing free renders and amazing free stuff for you guys. Okay, so guys, that's enough for today's video. I hope you can subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, and share with this video as much as possible so that I can be motivated and create more stuff, amazing stuff for you. Okay, thank you again for 1k subscriber guys. See you later. Signing out. Warlord tutorials again. Thank you guys.